How are you today?
Good morning.
Yeah, what are you up to today?
Today we are watching a show and then we go to a carnival. We also have a parade.
Wow,
Yeah.
excited
Later
for that.
tonight?
Yes, tonight.
Change for
Carnival magic.
We will change.
Secret. Abangan.
Looking great in purple.
Thank
Is this your
you.
favorite color, Lisa?
No, it's not. But I like ube halaya. So.
Gusto ko yung
Nilalaro talaga tayo.
Diba?
All any color actually.
Thank
Your
you.
message to your fans, everyone in the Philippines.
Hello everyone, ingat po tayo. Alam ko bumabagyo ngayon dyan sa atin. So mag-ingat po tayo at siguraduhin na ligtas tayo. At yun lamang po, sana supportahan nyo ang aking journey at subaybayan nyo pa rin. Medyo mahaba pa to. So maraming salamat.
Atisa, is this your first time na mag-purple na outfit?
Hindi ko nga alam eh. Hindi ko sure.
Kasi